Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we will be talking about Addmaths. This is chapter number 3 of your school booklet, Remainder and Factor Theorem. Now, before starting with this exercise 3.1, I would like to talk about two important things. That is, we need to understand what is a polynomial and what are identities. Now, let's discuss polynomial. Now, first of all, polynomial is a Greek word, and poly means many, and nomial means terms. So, polynomial simply means many terms. Now, many terms may be in the form of like variable x. They may be in the form of variable y or any other variable. Now consider a few examples of polynomials like 3x square plus 5x plus 2. Consider another example, 8x cube plus 5x square minus 3x minus 2. So these are the examples of polynomials in the variable x. Now, what are identities? We are all familiarized with algebraic identities like a plus b the whole square, and this is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Or we have this identity number 2, a minus b the whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now the question is, okay, why do we call them as identities? We call them as identities because whatever result comes for the left hand side, the same result also comes for the right hand side. For example, consider two values of a and b. Let's suppose the value of a is 1 and the value of b is 2. So if I substitute the value of a as 1, b as 2, so 1 plus 2, 3 square is 9. And I substitute the same value of a and b, 1 and 2 on the right hand side. 1 square plus 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 square. So again I'll get the result 1 square 1, 2 multiplied by 1 is 1, 2 2s are 4, plus 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, again we get the same result as 9. So this is the reason we call this as identity. Now there is a special symbol used for identities, this symbol. It simply means that both the sides are identical. Okay, I can write like this, both the sides are identical. Now we have exercise 3.1. now we have some questions in this, and in this question they are giving us polynomial identities. Polynomial means many terms, so we have many terms in the variable x, and there is a symbol of identity here, and on the right hand side we have more polynomials. Now in this they are asking us find the values of unknown constants for the given identity. Now we need to understand what are unknown constants here. Now on the left hand side I cannot find any unknown constant. On the right hand side I can see there is an unknown constant a, there is an unknown constant b. So they are asking us find out the value of a and b. So to do so we need to work on the right hand side, and we'll be simplifying it, we'll be expanding it by multiplying the two brackets. Let's do it and see what answers we get of for a and b. So the right hand side, x multiplied by this bracket, x square minus x plus a. and then minus 1 multiplied by x square minus x plus a, and we have plus b in the end. All right, let's open the brackets now. X into x square is x cubed, x into x is negative x square, x into a is ax, minus 1 into x square minus x square, minus 1 into minus x is plus x, minus 1 into plus a is minus a, and then we have plus b. Okay, now we'll try to simplify it by adding the like terms. So x cube is alone, we can see x square, we can see another x square, we'll write them together, x square minus another x square. We have terms in x plus ax plus x. In the end, we're going to write the terms, the constant terms, negative a plus b. Okay, we'll again try to simplify it more. X cube, negative x square becomes negative 2x square. And we have ax, we have x, so we cannot add them. Let's write it down again. Ax plus x minus a plus b. Now, if you see the left hand side, what do we have? We have x cube here. We have negative 2x square. We have plus 4x. We have plus 3. So we have a term containing x cube, we have a term containing x square, we have a term containing x, and we have a constant term. Look at on the right hand side, we have x cube, we have x square, we have x, and we have a constant term. So we can simplify it more by taking out this x common. X cube minus 2x square plus. Now I'm going to take out this x common, so I will have a plus 1 and minus a plus b. Now we need to compare both the sides, x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 3. So first of all, we'll compare the coefficients. Comparing coefficients, both sides. Now, what is the coefficient of x cube on the right hand side? It's 1. On the left hand side, again it is 1. So we have the same coefficients. The coefficient of x square is negative 2. The coefficient of x square is negative 2. Again, the same result. Negative 2 equals to negative 2. Look at this. The coefficient of x is a plus 1 and the coefficient of x is 4. So I can write 4 is equals to a plus 1. Next, I have a constant 3 here, and on my right hand side I have two constants, negative a plus b. Okay, now from this equation I can find out the value of a by bringing this one on this side. 4 minus 1 equals to a, or 3 equals to a, and I found the value of a as 3. Now we'll substitute this value of a in this equation. Put a equals to 3. So we have 3 equals to minus 3 plus b. Bring this 3 on this side. 3 plus 3 is equals to b. And finally we get the value of b as 6. So this is how we find the value of the unknown constants from the given identity.